What's going on, guys? It's Mark from MT Finish Mobile Detailing, back into the video. Today we're going to see what is the best pre-wash for mobile detailing. We got Primus 2.0 versus Garage Therapy Decon Soap. Now let's see which one performs the best. Let's get to the video. All right, guys, so we're right here about to do this BMW i3, and it hasn't been cleaned in a while. As you see, there's a lot of dust, a lot of grime, a lot of debris on the vehicle. The reason why we use a pre-rinse for any vehicle is just to knock off the grime or the debris and make it more easier to wash the vehicle. Let me know in the comments down below what is the best pre-wash that you guys ever use. I'd love to hear in the comments down below. But other than that, we're gonna get Primus right here. So Primus, this one is a great alkaline based product, especially for the exterior of the vehicle. It's designed for the paint and the wheels. It cleans really, really good. It smells like Irish Spring, and I kind of like the scent. Some people don't like it, but for me, in my personal opinion, I love the scent. So for this bottle right here, it's $19.95. It's not too expensive for this bottle. So per ounce for this bottle right here, it's 59 cents per ounce. So it's not too expensive if you know how to dilute it right and properly. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about Primus? We're gonna be using it today and going head to head with Decon Soap. So we're gonna get the Decon Soap and compare the price as well. All right, so now we got Garage Therapy Decon Soap. Let me know what you guys think about this product in the comments. Well, I know a lot of people love this product because it's a very versatile product. Used for maintenance washes, so as Primus or heavy cleaning. So this product right here is around ideally $32. So when you break that down per ounce, it's around 95 cents per ounce, a little bit more expensive compared to Primus, but we're gonna see how they both perform and let me know what you think this is gonna win. All right, guys, so we got the MJJC foam cannon with Garage Therapy Decon Soap. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about pre-wash? I know Ivan LaCroix says it's kind of a waste of time. Reason being, we like to foam rinse foam, so we knock down majority of the debris and the dirt. So what's left is the road film. But I know other people out there as well would say just might as well get a touchless. But let me know in the comments down below what we're going to be doing this video, just to compare the two products that are highly recommended for any detailer out there. So we got a diluted 5-to-1 in the bottle right here with the MJJC foam cannon. So we're going to be foaming down half of this vehicle, and then we'll finish up on the trunk, and then after we'll compare with Primus. Let's get to it. All right, so we just finished foaming down the vehicle with Garage Therapy. As you see, it's running down the vehicle. It doesn't cling as too much onto the paint. You can see on the floor, it's stripping down that grime and debris or the oils on the surface of the vehicle, a lot of bird droppings. So it's just gonna be removing all that. So we're gonna get to Primus 2.0 and foam the other side of the vehicle. Let's get to it. All right, guys, now it's time to foam down the vehicle with Oswald Cosmetica Primus 2.0. All right, guys, so we finished foaming down both of the vehicles. As you see, it's starting to run down. We're gonna let it just soak in and break down all the grime and the debris on the surface of the vehicle right here. So we got Primus on this side, and then we got Garage Therapy on this side. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think is gonna win? And also, I don't know, just what other products would you recommend as far as pre-washes go? I know Obsessed Garage, Matt Mormon, did a video on touchless with Built Hamber, and it did mess up the trim, but he didn't dilute it right necessarily, and it just kind of stained the trim. So you always got to be careful and do a test by test on each panel just in case. But in the summertime, it's a little harder to use, especially if you're mobile, because it dries really, really fast. So people in the UK, I understand why they love products like this, because it's always gloomy like today. Tomorrow it's going to rain, so it's pretty gloomy today. So this is a perfect video. We tried to shoot it yesterday, a video on the two pre-washes, but it just dried up. So it wasn't a great experience using mobile. If you have a shop or something like that, it's gonna be a little bit more better. So I know Road Warrior and also Dark Fury is a great alternative for pre-wash, but when you see it break down grime over in time. I heard it's not really good for the clear coat. You can start stripping the clear coat and just make it more, make more damage on the paint. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys had any experience like that. So we're gonna give it around 2 or 3 minutes to break it down and see the results. So let's get to it. All right, so now it's about ideally around 2 or 3 minutes that it's been sitting on the paint. As you see, it's just pulling it down. It's starting to kind of dry up on the panel. One thing you don't want it to do is dry on the surface of the vehicle. Another thing is, let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about pre-wash? I know Ivan LaCroix says it's kind of a waste of time using pre-wash, but I want to do a comparison for the two. Reason being, he said it's a little bit of waste of time just because when the foam rinse foam method, it knocks around the grit and the debris, but it leaves that traffic film. So these products right here are not going to take out that traffic film, but it's be more safer just to wash your car. It's a little bit more costly if you do use these products right here because you got to take in consideration some soap and pre-wash. And we're going to be rinsing down both of these panels on the vehicle, and let's see which one wins. So a key factor is always start from top to bottom. So as you see on the concrete, has a lot of cleaning agents. You can see the browning on the surface. So that's another thing to keep in mind as well. It does have cleaning capabilities. All right guys, so we just finished drying out the vehicle, hit the wheels off camera just to speed up the process on the drying part. But as you see, both of the sides are dry. So it looks almost identical as far as performance goes, but I'm gonna do a napkin test. This is glass right here, so I'm not gonna be inducing scratches. We're gonna see which one has more dirt on the paper towel. So I'm gonna come through and wipe it off real quick, get a good amount of whatever's on the surface. As you see, there's still a lot of dirt on the surface. So this one right here is garage therapy. And now we're going to be trying the Lasbo cosmetic side, the Primus 2.0. So you see, there's still more dirt on the vehicle as well. This one has less dirt. This one has a little bit more. Primus 2.0. I could do another test go around again. We'll fold over the towel and try to see which one's better. So I should have just did one pass. So if you do just one pass, you can see exactly. I would say the Primus has a little bit more dirt compared to the Garage Therapy Decon soap. But we could go test a little bit more panels. I know that was the last spot that we worked on. So we're gonna flip over our towels right here. And then we could get it on right here, a little bit of the paint. So as you see the paint, it kind of picked up more dirt, but you see there's still a little bit more on the surface. This one right here. So there's still more dirt. I would say just the Garage Therapy cleaned a little bit more better than the Primus 2.0. But let me know in the comments what do you guys think about these two products. And honestly, is there any hype into pre-wash? My opinion personally, I like to lean on Ivan LaCroix. If you have a good pH soap, pH balance, let it sit on the surface of the vehicle, foam down the vehicle, foam rinse foam. I think that's going to be the most effective and efficient way, and also the more profitable. If you're going to use these products right here, it's going to take more time and also more money. But that's my opinion. If you guys have any other opinions, I'd love to hear in the comments down below. All right, guys. So now we're going to be wrapping up the video on Primus versus Garage Therapy Decon Soap. Let me know your guys' experiences. What do you guys think about it? But for as me and my mobile detailing business, I rather stick to traditional pH neutral soap, let it soak, and then rinse it down, and then foam it back again, so you can remove all that grime and debris, so you don't introduce more scratching. For something like this, in my opinion, I was thinking in my mind that you're gonna have knock down more dirt, such as, like, I would say like a touchless wash. If you had a touchless, if that was more the case here, where it knocked off more grime and more debris, then I would highly recommend it. For right now, in my opinion, personally, it didn't really do as much on the exterior. But let me know in the comments down below. Wrapping up the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.